Okay. As it be like this now, ladies and gentlemen, you know, so when I don't do this mood, now I say one carry woman later. It happens sometimes. I just lose my cool. Now, as it be like this, now this at the night for the while I'll try to compose myself, you understand? But for this one, I cannot compose because he are crazy. He crazy somebody. As it be like this, ladies and gentlemen, this girl I'm about to call now, no big girl, a lady, you understand? But she a get crazy. That's why it's very, very okay for me. She a get crazy. She a presenter. And say she a model. She's very hot. Ogbona feli. Big. She a hot. Easy bit. If you see her, don't even try to come and think it. She's very hot. Okay. So as a blood, ladies and gentlemen, make I bring in easy bit now. You don't ready this thing?
I don't ready.
So ladies and gentlemen, Wofa Ifada. Come inside, baby.
You don't tap current too.
Me, I not tap current. Now the current tap me. You understand? You get where you could just do current, fish. The current will drag you to us. You understand? Wofa. Make I start for them first. Because the name now, one person ask me now Wi-Fi. What is the? You understand? So make we start from your beautiful name first.
Okay.
First. Say now your original name be that. I be na stage name for things before we enter the main talk.
And my original name now. My name now Wofa. It means peace.
Peace. From which side of the country?
Cross River, one village where they call Ugep.
Ugep.
You know Ugep?
Ugep. I know Sabi Amo.
My village name.
Because me I be Akwa Ibom.
You be Akwa Ibom?
I be correct, Bene.
What do they come do for Lagos now?
No, we can't hustle this thing. You know, I can't find we come and hustle this hustle. But actually, I'm a delta. So I mix blood of two different witchcraft places.
You be half caste
I
for
be
Nigeria.
heavy half caste boy like this. Now, we have known you for a craze on top of Instagram. And your video is everywhere disturbing the peace and the waiting of the whole world like this. You can't get one kind of followership for that Instagram where they choke me. 43,000 waiting.
That's what I see you.
But seriously, share the comic part of you where they, because you know say they do these short videos them. You also do your modeling. You self nasty presenter. Which one will never call? Businesswoman.
I dey ride Okada, they play ball too.
She dey ride Okada, they play ball. You be tomboy, you are just a normal girl.
I'm a normal girl.
But the way your swag and some kind crazy day like this, you be like say you get the tomboy spirit somewhere.
The way they raise me up, na tomboy thing so. My papa be no gree. As if he go market, if he go buy me short knicker, all those polo them. You know they buy me female clothes, so I just grow like that.
But you get brothers for front?
No, for back.
For back. I can't turn to your papa self now cause this plenty thing.
Now cause
but now the thing shall constantly pay. You understand the other? We get some small video where we go to show now like this. We'll come back, we'll see follow how they do all the thing because you need to know this craze. You are crazy. Not be all this one your phone packaging. Crazy on top of the whole thing. So when we see this short video then we go continue with Wofa in the building. E plenty. If we want to start now, no go even finish them at all because it's too plenty. Wouldn't always inspire you for all these things the way they always do so?
My dear, now so I go just deal something go tell me go do this video. As I sit down like this, if something don't say make I do video with you.
Seriously? We go do am me. Because my craze is always recharged. It's recharged for every craziness. So now inspiration just come for you.
Just like that.
For anywhere.
My environment, anywhere where I dey. If I see basin, I go just make use of that basin. Anywhere where I dey, like if DJ dey here, I go find something. To do. If I see Okada, I do anything. Anywhere where I dey.
Now so the craze just they enter.
My dear, na so. They tire me.
But as it be like this now, because by now we know say small time we go still see you for many movies and all those things. Because all this kind of craze is rare. Many guests will get this kind of craze. They only show the things that they form. I'm a chill, you know. I cannot come at dolls, you know, like doll, you know. But you carry your own to come and give people joy and happiness on top of social media. But that one for one side first. They do presenter work too. You also do modeling. How do they combine everything like this?
Now one step at a time now. Like now, if they call me, say, can't do one fashion show. I go leave you here. If they call me now, don't come out for the see you. I don't come out for here. They go where they go.
So you are not a so you are not even a loyal somebody to it. But now money they call you.
Now what for you?
I understand. Even me, I go discharge you.
Okay,
I just say go.
Okay. If you follow me, not be yourself the model.
Not true.
I
don't forget my modeling part. You know, say we showed them the twerking things just now. They don't know anything.
They don't know say they even dance.
They don't know. No, they don't know that part of dancing. They don't say they twerk something.
Not true.
But they always fear to twerk. Because the wrong people feel when they watch this thing. Now we talk one story now. Just now 21 men with the catch for Ibadan. The figures will look me like this. Wow. We like that guy. Wow.
No, we then say that you said been there with those boys.
Me? No, I cannot come and join it. Do you want to take like? You understand me? I like it. Stop. I'm a mama. Back to you, my dear. Now, so presenting, modeling, and everything. Which of these ones them to you now? Make I take put on like this. Make I no go ask you like say one thing. Now, for all this one now, which one you take start with? Before that one's going to open road for you.
Comedy. And when I started this thing, I be no saying I saw they go about them. I just do one follow the ladder skit one time, and my first video, I can't see the comments. People they laugh, they cry. I say, hey, I do another one. People they cry, they tag people. Say, you can't see this girl. I say, okay.
That's why they be.
That's so okay. No matter. That's why I take start to. Before you know, followers on the increase. People they.
Plenty.
My videos can't they go viral. I say okay.
But which one don't be like the most popular one where you don't do where people just won't just do anything to make sure say they repost?
I think the first jacuzzi video I do, they called on Jazz, they say me come.
Okay.
And that one Chris Brown been supposed to come, but he say traffic hold on for New York.
Because different ones don't go viral. Different ones. But as it be like this now, as it be like because we appreciate people the way they try to always bring laughter to people. It's not easy.
And when I make people laugh, they think they sweet me. Like when I see people they cry, all those smileys when they cry, they think they sweet. Don't succeed, make people laugh. You know, say to laugh for Nigeria. If people just think fuel first before your joke no go funny. You just think the fuel small. Just say when you're the crack, they can't think fuel. So the thing they worry. So anybody succeed like this, they tell you.
Finish. You give you joy and happiness for your mind. Yeah. You understand? So Wofa. Now before this whole show go finish, me and you go play one game.
Okay.
They call them names of. Now me and you go play that game, and then we go see person we go feel remember the things that when we small. Okay. You understand? So she's sitting on top for this place, so we no go anywhere. Here we still get more of our videos, make people to see like this, so that we go understand everything. So make we see the video. She's still inside the building. Is it bit? Knock it.